Hi friends, welcome to SB Prediction UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction Monday 9th December 2024. Today UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction number 5, number 19, number 20, number 36, number 40, booster number 7. UK 49's tea time prediction number. Join YouTube channel membership 99% accurate prediction member only. Join YouTube channel membership now. Join only level 3 UK 49C hot number. 99% accurate prediction 3 hot number. Join only level 3 UK 49C hot number now. Tea time prediction number 4, number 16, number 24, number 35, number 43, booster number 15. UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction complete. Like, share, comment and subscribe this YouTube channel now.